Most travel clerks work for automobile clubs. Others are employed by large companies, hotels, and government agencies. Their primary task is figuring out the fastest, least expensive route from point A to point B, and then, once the client has approved, making it all happen. That can mean making airline, hotel, rental car, and restaurant reservations, or arranging for visas and assembling customized road maps. The goal is always to make the client's trip as painless and enjoyable as possible. The travel industry is highly computerized, so anyone interested in this job must be comfortable with computers. It's also important to be detail-oriented, since clients will count on you to think of all the little details that can either make or break a travel plan. Making travel arrangements can be extremely stressful for people, so travel clerks who are knowledgeable, experienced, and tuned in to their clients' needs will bring clients back again and again for all their travel needs. In addition, travel clerks often qualify for special travel deals. So, according to the Department of Labor, travel clerks hold on to their jobs longer than any other kind of information clerk. If you love to travel, this could be the ideal job for you.